Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to save location on Google Maps. So guys, at first go to your Google Maps and then select the place you want to save. So I am selecting this place. And guys, as you can see, there have a save option on the right side of start. So tap on it. Now tap on new list. And now write here a caption in your private list. And after writing, tap on create. Now go back and then tap on the saved write down in the middle screen. So guys, as you can see, your saved location is here, and that's it. So guys, that's how you can save location on Google Maps very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.